Hi, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to create wealth using your speaking voice. This topic is so near and dear to my heart because I believe that your voice is your divine creation tool, which has been given to you to create the things that you desire. And today I'm going to be talking about wealth, honey. I am Charlene, the vocal alchemist, and I help you to speak so confidently, so powerfully that when people hear you, they want to hear you, they value you, they respect you, and you get paid. I help business owners to make sales using their speaking voice on camera, and I help public speakers on stage to be confident and full of authority. And I help you at work to do your presentations, your keynotes, and to be heard, respected, and valued by your team, and to get those promotions and salary increases in the way that you desire. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click the bell so that you get notifications of when I do new content. And I promise you that I've got a ton of content coming up for you in 2023. So go ahead and click, click, click away so that you stay with me. Let's go and just do this thing together. I love the voice. I love it so much. My mission is to help you to use it well and to use it powerfully. So, as a vocal alchemist, I have 35 years of public speaking experience myself. I've been speaking from when I was a child, and I also have experience singing with platinum selling artists such as Adele, Smokey Robinson, and Jennifer Hudson. And I have coached singers, I coach public speakers. There is no area of the voice that I haven't witnessed, touched, experienced. There just isn't anything. I am obsessed with it all. And I'm here to give you the wealth of expertise that I have so that you can really be free, relaxed, and safe when you speak publicly. Now, this topic of wealth creation using your voice, it really comes down to the first thing is you must acknowledge and understand what you already have. Your topic of expertise, your wisdom, your knowledge, your experience, all of these things create your value. And I've used this analogy before of a vault. I want you to imagine that you are at the mint of your country. Just imagine that you are at the vault, and behind the door and the safety lock of this door is all of this gold. I want you to go ahead and open this door. I'm doing this because this is a wheel safe. So you have to do the wheel, open the wheel, and open the door and step into this vault. And I want you to just look at all of these gold bars that are in this safe, in this vault. Can you see it? Yeah. Go ahead and walk in. And I want you to just imagine that the reflection of this gold, these gold bars are reflecting on your skin. You can see it on your hands. All right, look around, just think, wow, there's so much gold in this room. I wonder how much it's worth, but I don't even need to necessarily know how much it's worth. I just know it's worth a lot. This vault is a metaphor for you. All of your expertise, your experiences, your beliefs, all the things that help make a difference in the world, all of those things that you see that other people may not see and is really valuable. This vault, these gold bars are you. In order for you to create wealth using your voice, you are going to have to showcase the wealth of you using your voice. Now, there are cultures around the world that frown, let's say, upon using your voice in a way that may seem boastful or arrogant, but that's not what I'm talking about. That's not what I'm speaking about. I am speaking about the connection between you, your voice, your value, and your gold, connecting that to a need in society, at work, in your business, on stage as a public speaker, and you're speaking to a conference. Where does your expertise and your gold meet their need? This is how you showcase your wealth and your gold to people, to the places that they really need it and where it will make the most difference. But you must be bold. You must be courageous. Even when it feels like arrogance, even when it feels like what would people think, maybe this is a bit too much, to sink in to your gold. And if you have a problem wondering or worrying about what other people think, I always say that the mind is built on two channels. There's fear and then there's love. And you can switch channel anytime you desire. And you can start to think about the things you love about your expertise, about your knowledge, about yourself. The fact that you love to serve people, help them, offer solutions, offer something that you love to offer to your people, to the people in your vicinity. Those things, focusing on it, being in it, refusing to look outside of the things that you love, really help you to get disciplined about using your voice in ways that are really impactful. And so what it comes down to is creating wealth with your voice requires you to be aware of and speak of the wealth within you. And then you'll get to the point where you're going to start charging monetary value for the things that you are speaking of, for the solutions and expertise and wisdom and knowledge that you are offering. Now, when it comes down to charging people, and I'm not going to get into it too much here, this is possibly another video, but when it comes down to it, there needs to be a gateway of payment so that people get access to what it is that you have in your vault, all of those gold bars, and the price is actually more of a guarantee that they will value it. When things are free, people tend not to value it, but this is a whole nother conversation. And how to negotiate your prices, how to set prices is a whole nother video. But what I've set before you is something so simple, and it requires courageousness, it requires boldness, it requires you to be disciplined, to switch from fear to love, from fear to love. And actually, what it brings up is getting really curious. What are those things that are within you that you never speak about, but you know you can do? You know you can do well, but you don't ever speak about it, perhaps because you've been doing it for so long that you've kind of taken it for granted, or you've been doing it for so long that you don't feel it necessary to speak of. What are those things? Those are all of your gold bars. And you can speak about those things where relevant in your vicinity. And you can create any vicinity that you like. That's why I love YouTube so much. You can just get on camera and just start speaking. How to be confident on camera is also another video that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a masterclass coming up also. So here's the thing. If you desire to really have a one-to-one hour session with me where we peel back those layers of your value, your wealth, your gold that you desire to share with the world, then I want you to go ahead and click the link below to book a vocal alchemy consultation with me. It's specifically for public speakers who, like you just want to create the wealth, the freedom in your life. Let's spend an hour together. It's a recorded session and you'll get sent the replay. And at present, I'm doing a one-off special for YouTube people like yourself. And my regular fee is discounted at something like 46% at the moment. It's a ridiculous discount. Go ahead and click the link below. Get on a Zoom call with me and let's talk about your wealth and your value and how you can show up and how you can change that value into monetary value into your bank account. All right. So I'm Charlene, the Vocal Alchemist. This is my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share, do all of those wonderful, wonderful things so that you get notified the next time that I am online on YouTube. Click the bell so that you get notified, and I'll speak to you all real soon. Bye-bye.